Here we have the Glock 19 Replica BB gun by Umarex. It's actually officially licensed by Glock. It has a 15 steel BB round capacity, drop-free mag, metal slide, plastic frame, 410 feet per second velocity, feels and looks like a real Glock 19. Gen 3, licensed by Glock. I believe these were around $70, but with the high demand of all types of firearms, including air guns and BB guns, I paid around $130 or $135 for it on Amazon. .177 caliber. Looks great. Has a great weight to it. Looks real. Similar to the actual Glock sights. Magazine drops smoothly. Pretty heavy actually. The slide does not go back. Definitely a great looking replica. Officially licensed product of Glock. The magazine looks like this. It's a little slide down spring that you slide down. You put here, you put your BBs in there. Slide it back in. This little thing comes out. That's where the CO2 goes in. It has a built-in tool for inserting the CO2. CO2 goes in here, and you use this tool to put it in place. Looks really good. The slide lock and the slide assembly buttons are fake. The magazine button is real. The barrel is the size of a real Glock, but as you can see, the BB caliber is inset. Really great feel. Trigger feels pretty good. And looking forward to testing it. The serial number is the same on all of them. It's got the Glock logo around. In addition, it has a rail for lights, lasers, and other accessories. Really well built, really quality feel. Definitely recommended if you're looking for a air gun, pistol. Comes with some instructions. It actually looks like the blowback model, which I initially wanted to get, and it's more expensive. That means the slide uses air to also go back and forth like a real gun. It's actually has less velocity and lower distance. So I'm kind of glad I purchased the 19 non-blowback version. And that's about it. It comes with some instructions. Pretty straightforward on how to use it. Some warnings and the typical paperwork that comes with BB guns. Looking forward to trying it out. I just have to wait until the CO2 cartridges come in. These are the types of BBs it uses. Definitely recommended to use steel BBs, not lead, copper, or other types.